Dassahmariee here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm so excited. It is going to be an unboxing, you guys. I've been wanting this for like the longest time. If you guys don't know, my iPhone 7 Plus was like having so many problems that I had to get a new phone. So you guys, here it goes. So here's the box. Oh my gosh. Here, you guys, here it is. It's so pretty. Look at it. And I like how the boxes has like the little tab, so I got a knife and everything to cut it. I don't even need that. I could just, how do I do it? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Here it goes. Look it. Okay, we're gonna open it. It's so pretty, look. And you guys, purple is my favorite color. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take the phone out. Oh my gosh. This is so nice. This is so weird, it doesn't have a home button. I'm gonna keep the screen protector in the front on just because I don't have a screen protector right now, so we're gonna keep that on. So let's see what's in the box. Has the little Apple paper. What's in here? The hello paper. The Apple stickers. Comes with this. And it comes with headphones. Oh my gosh, I needed headphones. I did not have good headphones with my 7 Plus, so it has this. They're not AirPods, they're the lightning cable ones. So new ones, needed those. The USB cable. The charging block, also needed a new one of those. And that's it, I think. Yeah, that comes in the box. So let's get into this phone. So let's do a comparison. Here's my iPhone 7 Plus in rose gold, and here is my new iPhone 11. I'm just gonna go ahead and put them side to side so you guys can see like a size comparison. It is honestly not that much difference. It's only like a little bit more bigger, if you guys can see, and it's kind of thicker. This one's definitely thicker than the pink one. So let's go ahead and turn it on. So let's see, I gotta find out how do I turn this on. Is it this one, the side? It's coming on. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Okay, let's see. It's coming on. Okay, you guys, so the screen came on, the hello screen. I'm gonna try to find English. There's hello. Okay. English. United States. I'm so excited. The phone is officially set up. I can't believe it. Like the way Apple outdid themselves, the way that they have the new setup, because last time, let me just say, I upgraded obviously from the 7 Plus, the rose gold 7 Plus, and before that my first ever iPhone was iPhone 4, then I upgraded to iPhone 6, which my husband still has, the iPhone 6, and then I upgraded from the 6 to the 7 Plus, and now to the 11. So this new setup for the iPhone is completely new to me. I never knew it could do this. It literally just, all I did was put my old phone up to my new phone and it just connected, so that was tight. So you guys, I have my lock screen, or my home screen, which is my daughter, and then my lock screen, which is my son. So it's set up perfectly. I'm super excited. Also, right after I ordered my phone, I did order a iPhone case right here, the iPhone 11, and I'm super excited because I ordered it the same time as my phone, hoping that it would get here in time, which it did. It actually got here before my phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in this one. This is a fashion case, and it looks like this, and it has like little, I thought that was really cool. And it comes with a, I was gonna get a pop socket, but actually came with a little thing that you put on right here so I could hold my phone. So here's the case. I'm gonna take the plastic out. There, it's like see-through. It's really cool. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my new phone in, and I'm keeping the little plastic on my phone until my screen protector comes because I don't want to mess it up, mess the screen up. So we're gonna go ahead and put the case on. on. It's on right here. You guys can see how it moves. And I got it because it's purple at the top and it goes to pink at the bottom, and I thought that was really, really cool. So yeah, the phone case is on. And here's the front. You guys can see. So it's all set up. I did the Face ID and everything, you guys. It is ready to go. I'm in love with it. My case, everything, you guys. I couldn't be more happy with my iPhone 11. If you guys like this unboxing video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.